enokre the teams no anya kakra nanka StarTimes beba no anche bende busa won say last year how many times and I'll tell you say a month for a ball StarTimes edin and busa won say number of people that were on the StarTimes app no so no and they did increase or decrease after some the Ghana Football Association and to a contract no so no. And Kwame, the answer is obviously no, in the sense I increase it. Because when StarTimes are timer now or a peak numbers elsewhere timer, Nagana Premier League no also now be a goose away. And so be a word jumum or be a few panas only TV. The way say they log on to the StarTimes app, whether on their mobile devices, no more the Ghana Premier League. But last year, as I said, the StarTimes deal with FA na enyuarma omdema Globe TV no e channel some league na StarTimes enyano na enyuon biom. So if you are a very good businessman, now where the numbers are ulusu from not associating yourself with the Ghana Football Association now, you try to make sure that you do everything within your possible best to make sure say you will get that thing back. And now my new StarTimes for now. Kamai said they want to do everything to bring that is the Ghana Premier League back into their channel. But for me, the reality, the FA should make sure say they will play their cards right because then I'm canon. StarTimes for now will say they need the Premier League to make sure that the subscription of their StarTimes Ebekosoro. Correct last year, the numbers in the but you can tell from everything said the number of people that are on the StarTimes last 2 years and last 3 years were not the same as the number of people that are on the app and no poor. So over channel every the Ghana Premier League air Kosua, who StarTimes or any StarTimes in poor. Number of idea leagues from Ehina, the one that was giving the numbers for the Ghana Premier League. So they want to make sure say they get it back. And today, so we cat none they say come up air Kosua behind the scene. Name do that level for you to make sure say you publish it or make this interview not bad on here. So that would Kwame. People will start asking questions. Sure. Said and the FNL signed 5 years. What is the package involved in that deal I was signing? Because you cannot just go in and tell us and they only started for sign 5 years. Kwame, never I trust her. No, nobody will agree. Sure. Because I kind of want to say that taking the cloud to a ransom. Yet anytime people will not meeting be a TV station be as I do, you would the room, not cause I be. You know, I say near come about Globe TV. Anytime be a Globe TV picture, so my penalty not every Sunday in transfer air to the class and so. But we didn't know the monetary component of that deal on the Globe TV echo. And if the service happen again, what else the FA to be quiet on that one for me? I think that one day Cat did well by questioning saying no crowd Kwame. There's nothing wrong with it. And in each and every deal be around. A bet me a good now that up again savior for now and no credit means said if you quite 8 minutes. Okay. Now you're on Kwame. Where Yanka crunch down for moment said that for go. Tama senior man, Ajumay Kwame, the pioneers. Mekai or no, and the late Christopher Columbus. Our Metro TV, so over Metro Sports, our more, and the voices in the air voice Kwame and Nini. Say me dampo Kwame, not the voice air echo omitrim. We follow them and the kind of idea right that they did in this sports fraternity Kwame, you will be Kwame, you didn't tune us. But time I don't take microphone national. And then I say wrong Kwame and they still are wrong. Yeah, time I don't take microphone national. Then they are wrong Kwame, still wrong. It will not never change. Wrong will change what to wrong. The right one will be the right one. In the sense that Baba sports and Kwame must say 8 minutes to get cut off from Kwame. Many problem. Say 8 minutes to Kwame, better sorry. Me see Nadia Baba sports stadium concert. Say Kwame David. You be the Kwame. Say me yet 1 minute poor. No we the second supporters ne start pesca go no dey to kan conquer support. Na Kwame is interview was this scale and scale of pay there means they will be giving it out to the highest bidder. Say and Kwame for 50 and me but I you did the NS edition on say Accra Sports and then man say obete Chatawale omo airport concert medical airport concert then we not pitch na say and na man then yen a high standard pitch on my wa and now my poor could tell us picture almost like Burkina there Burkina from ya time you want to make sure Burkina was where a baby Traore that FN automatic facility to make Burkina so yet your mind and a debia you may see stadium or all the system regions now and they get coming for so beautiful so kakra no with me to your coming 16 of months amana I say also con and then scoreboard and then and the bench on not on the concrete now me da ko to one and say na mu nyama back to Kwame ni na our bra commitment mind here. If they take the Kwame says, no metum I Kwame better than for them to destroy it for us. And they take us sponsor of Commerce and Edamai. And then Lagos State of Moment, I say, almost said Edamai, I can almost say Edamai, Tamai almost said Edamai. And then the last sponsor of Kwame, and then score. And now no further Kwan air to you more park on them. No, the Kwan music I won't. I don't know if further to provide possible. Is that why they created that pitch in the first place? And then you tell them Gold Stars and Kobo Airborne Abesia in the African Commission. Kotko Kwame and league Nippon Kosabeti Timumwa. Chamalas me to Kwame anytime Biana. Because Boko Africa, Boko Borizo, Bianquame, Park, I am my, you I get a room.
Na me back chairman,